Hello friends, and welcome back to my channel, or welcome for the very first time if you're new here. My name is Rita, and today I want to share with you a new bag. And it's new-ish. I've had it, I want to say, for 5 or 6 months. I'm not entirely sure. And this was a gift from a very good friend of mine. I've talked about her here and there whenever you've seen about my book videos. I have a book club with her. It's just her and I. And anyway, she gifted me this beautiful bag, which is I don't know how to pronounce this. It's a Tory Burch Radziwill, I think that's how you pronounce it, in the most stunning colorway. So this is the beauty, and this has been, or had been, my top #1 wishlist item from Tory Burch. My dream bag from the brand for the longest time. And to know that she's finally mine, it's crazy. And even more so that it was the best gift that I could have ever received. So anyway, before we get into the bag, everything that fits, all that good stuff, please be sure to subscribe. It is super easy. It does help my channel a lot, and thank you so much if you've subscribed already. If you're new, please be sure to do it before you click out of this video. I'm not entirely sure if this is the small Radziwill or just called the Radziwill. I will be leaving the exact name right here on the screen, and it's going to be linked below. You can no longer find this on the Tory Burch website. I'm pretty sure it's still floating around in like second-hand websites like Poshmark and that kind of thing. But there's always a Radziwill in this exact same size that you can find on the website with different colorways. Right now there's a stunning one that's beige with black, and the opposite, like black with beige, that I'm really eyeing, but not right now. But anyway, back to the bag. So it's this beautiful, super soft beige leather, and it does have this Hermes, if you will, little thing that serves as a closure for the first flap. So the bag is pretty much 3 compartments. I wish I could take this away, but I can't. So there's 1 compartment in the bag, 1 in the middle, and then the front one, which is enclosed by this little thing. So the way you open it, you pretty much just pull this little straps or this little piece of leather, and then it'll release the first section of the bag. So I really love this colorway because it is multicolored. It's the most stunning different shades. This is a suede and orange, what is this? Yellow, and then the middle is the top part is going to be just its leather in the very pretty blue sky, or sky blue, and then the bottom is just like fabric, and then the back same colorway at the front. So again, 3 different compartments, but the main compartment, which again here we got 1, 2 compartments, and then 3. The main compartment is divided by this zipper and like a pocket. And the bottom, you have things that can go back and forth. So it's 1 main big compartment, but separated by this pocket. And everything that you throw in the middle compartment, like if you have smaller things like my pen or maybe keys, they will be floating around this middle section. So the middle section of the bag, this is where the blue is. It's 1 compartment, but it is separated from this one in the back and then this one in the front. It does feature a handheld strap. This is not removable, so you cannot remove this, and it has this very pretty light green, almost like lime green, that also matches a long strap that I barely ever use. It's one of this is officially like the shoulder strap, but again, I don't really use it. It's very pretty. It has this braided detailing, and it's the same shade as the top handle, but again, for me, I use it really as a shoulder bag, and it fits very comfortably, just depending on, you know, how much clothes you're wearing. If you're wearing a coat, of course, this is not gonna go over, and you know, according to your size and whatever. But on me, it's very easy to put around here in my shoulder, and I love it. I don't really use it the other way, but you can add that if you want to. And beautiful on the sides, it also features this very pretty same yellow as this one in the same material. So you have the suede, and then the braiding, it's also super pretty. I love this. The detailing in this bag is absolutely stunning. Very important for me, if you've seen my videos, it does come with beautiful gold feet, so the bottom of your bag is not going to get ruined. And well, of course, also on this front enclosure you have the Tory logo, and then this is where you would close that first section, or you can keep it open, you know, depending on what you want to do. But by closing it, of course, you prevent the bag to being fully open in that first pocket. Then you can also close the middle section if you want to make it a little more secure, especially if you're someone who travels, or you know, you maybe take a public transport. You have these buttons that very easily you can fully close the middle section, so you have at least two secure sections on your bag. And I closed it wrong, I put the wrong one. So you have two secure sections, the middle, which is the bigger section or the bigger pocket, and then the front, if of course you decide to close it, so you won't have anyone trying or attempting to get into your bag in the first and middle section. The last one, or the back pocket, is fully open, so you can't do anything about that. But I love it, even though it's not a zipper, which is usually the most, I guess, the most common thing is a zipper on the middle. But this one has these very pretty buttons, also gold. You can see right there. Then the middle section, again, it's kind of like a middle section with two parts, if you will, because it's divided by this pocket. This is a very deep pocket, so I really like it. And this is just a pocket by itself, so nothing, like whatever you put in there, it's an actual pocket. And this, like as I was mentioning, the middle one is going to be open in the front, in the back, so anything you have that's small is gonna be rolling around that middle section. And you also get another pocket in that mid section right here, so you can put like a little, maybe like a card holder or some cards if you want to, or maybe even like a lipstick. I've put lipstick there. And then it also has a small zipper. The front section, again, it's just one big pocket, and then the back is also one just big pocket by itself. And what else? Okay, the zipper, which is only one zipper, does feature the same gold brass material, and then it does a Tory Burch on the side. I don't think I can show that very nicely, but yeah, I'm gonna get up so you can see where the bag hits my shoulder, or like my body. Again, that's just the shoulder wise. It's perfect height. I really love this bag, and this is how I carry it, with just this handle. And I almost forgot, this is the back. I didn't show you the back, so you can see how pretty. Same of that, this is like one leather shade, and then you get the different material, the suede in the side, in the very pretty yellow that's inside of the bag. And then you also have this, which is super cool. This is actually a key, so you can fully lock your bag. So whenever you close it like that, you can actually put the key right there to fully secure it, and it won't open even if someone tries to pull that. So that's a very cool little thing. Have I done that? No, I don't need my bag to be locked, but that is a feature if you are interested. And also by itself, it just looks like a cute little, you know, just a cute little dangling thing in your bag. And that's the back part. Again, front part, one side, and then the other side with the scarf that obviously I added. Here is the longer shoulder strap, so if you do want to carry your bag on the shoulder, that'll be a more comfortable, I guess, for a lot of people to carry it like this. And it's a very thick strap. I cannot tell you how much better or worse it is, because I only wear it with this strap, with the handhold that's already there. But there's an option. So the only issue is that, of course, you cannot remove this, so it's just gonna be floating around and moving around. But you can always just, you know, put it away like on the side or something, and you can just access your bag without any issue. But this is just another option. And again, with the braided strap, very pretty, and you know, just like the sides of the bag. Now let's go ahead and pack my bag. So I'm gonna open everything, you know, so I can have better access. The bigger thing that I probably nowadays carry in my bag is going to be a small pouch that I pretty much just grab and change around every single one of my bags whenever I'm carrying them, if it fits, of course. So this is a Longchamp little pouch, and this is where I carry all my little things that I don't want to get lost in the sea of the bags. So we've got a mirror, we've got extra lip products, here's a lip gloss, I'm sorry, a lipstick, lip gloss, hair ties, my little pill holder, a pad, my pen. So everything that's on the smaller end goes here, so things don't get lost in the bag. So I'm going to put this in the big compartment on the back. So there's the main compartment, so I'm just going to throw that in there, the main compartment, and that is the back of the main compartment. So now we have my wallet, and it's also by Tory Burch. It's a smaller wallet, and my coin purse, both in pink. And I'm going to throw this in the same middle compartment, but in the first section. So I was mentioning how this middle compartment is divided by a pocket. So here is the middle compartment with the first things, which are my wallet and coin purse. And then here is the little pouch from Longchamp that I just threw in. Okay, another big thing that I always carry around is going to be my hand sanitizer. This is a spray form. I'm going to throw it also in that same middle compartment. And then we've got my keys. My keys are going to go same middle compartment where I have the wallet. There's right here, okay? Also, my house keys are inside that, inside the Longchamp pouch. And then lastly, we have whatever lipstick I'm wearing. I always like to carry it in my bag, of course. The ones that I carry in the little pouch is usually one that's gonna be for default that I've been loving, and I just wanna keep in my bags in case I forget whatever lip I was supposed to be wearing. So there's always going to be at least 2 or 3 different lip products in this little pouch. So besides that, whatever products I have in there, I always like to carry whatever lipstick or lip gloss I'm wearing. So this is the lip gloss that I'm wearing right now. So I'm gonna throw this in the first compartment. So right here where we can actually secure it, I'm gonna throw that in there. And then another newish thing that I've been carrying with me in every single bag is going to be a rosary. So this one is, I got from Amazon. It's called the Nazareth Store. And it's a beautiful, I might as well just show it to you. It's a beautiful rosary. And I like to carry a rosary with me at all times. And this is something that I've done always, but I stopped doing it for a little while because I didn't have really a rosary that I was really loving. I always sleep with one under my pillow, but I recently got this one and I just like to carry it in my bags. I also always carry in my jeans, like in my pocket or whatever pants I'm wearing. I wear like I like to carry a tiny little rosary. But anyway, that's gonna go in there. And then my phone, of course, this can also, usually it's gonna be in my back pocket if I'm wearing jeans, but for the sake of putting it in the bag, I'm just gonna put it right, you can't really see with this thing, right there. And then lastly, very importantly, we've got my Ride or Die, my Kindle. So I have the Paperwhite 2020 edition. So this is a little bit old, but it's the smaller version that they had at the time. I love it, and ever since I switched to this clear case, it's so easy because it's super slim, zero bulky, so it fits everywhere. And I'm just gonna throw this in the back of the bag. So the very last compartment, that's where I can put the Kindle. And here is the bag all packed. I could still throw in more things, but this is realistically what I carry on my everyday. So these are the items that are gonna go with me in every single bag that I carry, unless I'm carrying a smaller bag. So it is a little bit heavy, but not too significant. I feel like this is lighter in comparison to other medium-sized handbags that I could think of. For instance, the Coach Ruby is extremely heavy. Here she is, beautiful. Of course, you can always close this, but for the most part, I keep it open. I like the look of that. And whenever also you have a lot of things in here, which right now I do have 3 things in there, it's not as easy to close, especially because the phone takes a lot of space. But if I really wanted to close it to secure whatever I have in there, you can. Let me show you. It's hard to show you while I'm like carrying the bag. So, because right now it's heavy because it's packed. But yeah, here we go. I just closed it, and my phone and lip product, which the lip gloss and my rosary are still in there. You can actually see the phone right there. And also because I don't want the leather to get too strained, I just open it. But yes, you can close it. George just jumped on my lap, well, on the chair. Georgie! Okay, there we go. So yeah, here it is, the beautiful Lee Radziwill by Tory Burch. I absolutely love this bag, and as I was mentioning at the beginning, I do see myself buying this bag in a different color, a different shade at some point. Right now, I don't need one. Of course, I have tons of bags, and this was my dream bag from Tory, and now that I have it and I know that I really do love it, I've been using it a lot, I know that if I get a different colorway, I would also really love it, of course, and enjoy it and use it a lot. But anyway, let me know in the comments below if you own this bag, if it's on your wish list. I would personally highly recommend it. Again, you can always find different colorways on the website, and it is this one particularly such a fun, to me it's very spring summery, but because the main shade is beige, I've been carrying it since I bought it. Like, well, since I got it, not bought it, because it was a gift like 5 or 6 months ago. It's really universal for all year round. But anyway, thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, like always, please give it a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you on the next one.